strong.
Hey guys, Elysium here, back for another video, and today we're going to be opening up another booster box of Shield and Sword Elite, Rebel Clash. Now, in the last video I opened up the Elite Trainer box and got pretty good pulls. I got a full art Cinder Ace and a Dragapult, I think that's what I pulled. And yeah, and today we are going to be opening up another box. So, I think I like this box a lot because it's brought more of the Silver and Sword Pokemon. Like, compared to the first box, which we didn't see a lot of the Pokemon that we liked a lot. So I'll quickly open this up and put the packs out on here. Okay, now I've got them all lined up. Well, this is upside down, that's going to annoy me. And if we pull any good cards, I'm going to use the Elite Trainer Box sleeves. I can never remember this Pokemon. So let's start off with this side. So I'm still hunting for at least a rainbow or gold, because Savage, he actually bought a box and he pulled the gold wrench. So let's see. Again, I'm pretty sure I've been down this route before opening a Meowth, Caterpie, Horsala, Litwick, Shinx. Probably one of my favorites from 4th Gen. Skunky. I always just call them little like Sight. Energy. This is the gold that Savage pulled. Dan. And wait. Okay, I did accidentally miss the holo, which is Skunky. I was losing my mind. Wait, where's the holo at? So we'll put them down here. I guess the light, just can't really see because of the light. Put that there. So Cypher, like creepy Magmar is gonna be another like Lick Buzz. Oh no, it's not. It's a Yamask. Normally, every time I see one of these, I think it's gonna be a I've lost the word now. I literally just called him by his name earlier. Electabuzz, and there's always been one of them or thing. And for other holo is the Bunny, like Baneri did bear. And oh, we finally have the old form of Corsair. We have the other form of Corsair. Ooh. With Poison Body, Prison Body, Polish, Steel Energy, another Dan, a Twin Energy. Haven't seen one of them yet. Already got a light. So I'm still hunting to finish my Rillaboom deck, obviously, but I'm also seeing maybe if I can put Bolthound. Like, ooh, Shinx. And just like Bolthound, maybe I can build a Pico kind of deck, which could be interesting. Because my Pico actually seems quite cool, and Bolthound does a lot. Oh, doesn't much. I think it's Draw. Trubbish, and the Zemin Center. I could probably speed up because we've opened multiple of these, so I probably will kind of speed up the pack openings. I'm pretty sure by now we've seen a load of the Pokemon themselves, so oh, keep grabbing the wrong cards. Oh, Indeedee, we actually haven't pulled an Indeedee yet, which is quite nice. Spiritoon. Sometimes I forget that there's 36 packs, which is way more than like Yu-Gi-Oh, but I think the same amount of Magic. I do want to get some Magics in the Yu-Gi-Oh videos done. It's just seems like at the time Pokemon seems to be the easiest thing to do, and I've been trying to get a lot of Pokemon stuff done at the moment. I'm not saying doing Pokemon is an excuse, I just really like Pokemon. No, a holo of the evolved form. And we got a Weezing. I don't think we've got a holo Weezing yet. Take this out. So, at the moment, I don't have a lot of plans. I know it's like coming from someone that did YouTube for a while, well, a couple of years by now. Where is it? I've been trying to get stuff done, trying to get like ideas done, try to get some of my art stuff done. Oh, there's something. Oh, I think there's a gold. Oh, I can see it. Oh, come on. No, it's not gold. Damn it, the foiling on the side deceived me, but that seems to be a bit, bit odd. But hey, we have the Snake V. Like, you don't step on Snack, and you don't step on this guy because he will beat you up. Yeah, it's odd, the foiling is a bit loose on the sides. I know you guys probably can't see in the video, but there's a slight texture and foiling. So we finally got our first like V, which is Snake. I think the Snake's quite cool. The VMAX Snake in the game was a pain to actually get, to catch. I don't think I've actually caught it yet. But oh, the old days of when the game first came out, and if someone got like the VMAX, you would save, go in, if someone didn't catch it, you'll redo it again, and people get multiple ones. That's kind of nuts. I actually don't know if they, why would they fix that? There's no point. I don't know how they would in the first place. Maybe you won't be able to save and go into a wild area, but I doubt they'll do that. Mr. Ryan. Oh, the things we know. Like, they brought out Weezing in Pokemon Go. I can't see why they can't do much more. Like, they can have other, I can't speak. That's a fair point in this. When are we getting the evolved form of Farfetch? When are we getting Surfetched in the, in here? I'm pretty sure that maybe in the next set they'll probably bring a Farfetch'd V. Mr. Mime to go with our Mr. Ryan. Like Snorlax. And Stonehenge. Beware. Beware. If you don't, like, you probably won't know why I keep saying, like, beware. Like, it's because of the thing that Lulu says in League of Legends, like, beware the Bumble Bear, and from that I have kind of got my own, like beware of the Bumble Bear, like, token franchise at the moment. It's just a little token thing that I do on the side to, like, get some ones. And so far it worked. So, maybe I'll do a video on that at some point. But we'll see to that. let's first get through this another bubble. What was that? Oh, training cord. I think training cord's a pretty good card. Like, it has its potential. Like, I'm planning to maybe put some in my next deck. If I sound a bit nervous, it's because I'm always nervous while trying to record videos, because sometimes I hate my voice. Hey, Electrite. I do want that to be like Electrite V or VMAX, because I just love the guy. Ellie Kid was always one of my favorites thing with Electabuzz. I always had Electabuzz on my team, because he was just so badass. If I can get this pack open now, it'll be pretty badass. There we go. There you go. So we're almost done with the side, and still, like, no full auto VMAX. My snack is feeling very alone right now, so let's try and get a partner. Ooh, nice. The toad. Like, it looks like that the UK is gonna be in lockdown for, like, with like the Prime Minister's ease restrictions, I guess. So we can go out more of the time, but I don't think we're gonna get the fort and constant videos until like past July. Makes me sad because I do want to get back into the whole video thing, like, properly. I think it's only 2 packs left on this side, so let's see what. So let's go. So, like, this is a cool Pokemon. Like, reminds me of the God of War. The favorite. Ludicolo. Ah, Ludicolo. Fuck, I love this Pokemon. No, I like third gen because third gen's my favorite Pokemon gen out of like all of them so far. This is a cool Pokemon. Kind of got brought up with third gen really, just kept watching it over and over again. Snuffle. Come on, can we get something good from the last, like, pack of this side? Hey, we got a regular Butthole, I guess, to go over full art. So that's our second V. But maybe I'll give this to K-Doll, like both of them, because she likes, like, wool and double. But she did spend, like, I think who knows how long, like, probably 2 days, 48 hours to try and catch a shiny wool. So, God, this pile's gonna fall. Let's just pop it there. Okay. Vulpix has always been one of my favorites. Like, I know Ninetale V exists, but I don't think I want to go down with a fire. There isn't really much fire at the moment. Like, maybe at some point I'll try. George, she's a pretty interesting supporter. Like, play this card, you just got 2 cards from your hand. Your opponent, like, reveals their hand, put a trainer card they find to the bottom of the deck. It's interesting, but I can't see it being majorly used. Ooh. Everything's slowly sliding down. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I must have forgot to put that down. What pack was this? Did I forget to show you a pack? Maybe. Oh, I got this. Sonia, again, I think this is probably one of the best, second best supports in the game. It's up to 2 basic or up to 2 energy, put it into your deck, put it in your hand of your deck. Wouldn't mind getting Milo though. Like a full off Milo. That'd be pretty good. So far I've had more luck with Sword and Shield than I had with the Flash. Should have probably done that video. But we got the Curse Shovel and we got another V. We got the Elephant. I think that's probably my second one of that one. So that's our first V duplicate. Let's get this done. Oh, laptop needs to shut up. Okay, we got Nugget. Nugget requires nuggets. Nuggets go to the Nugget Cave. If you guys, Kindergarten is just, it's a funny game. And Nugget, I like Nuggets, probably my favorite character. Kindergarten 2. Oh, I put the Nugget in the wrong place. Go over there, Nugget. Shocker. Right, I am also trying to pull a Dragapult VMAX for Savage, because that's the deck he wants to build. See, I told you, look, it's stacked, it's stacked. I called it, it's stacked. So let's see if there is a full art. What am I doing now over the under if it's a full art? Nope. Just an Obama Snow. Forgot to take that card out. Okay. Let's try it again. Rocky Road. Rock. Like, it's hard to read upside down. So, okay. Like Hollow Mr. Man. Oh. And a Corsair. Hey, Milo! I like Milo. You discard 2 cards from your hand and then draw 2 cards for each card you discard. So again, it's major draw power. I think I'll pop this in my Rillaboom deck, to be honest. Like, I'll probably take it out. I'll probably take maybe a hop out, even though I think Hop's probably like the best draw card, maybe. But this allows you to draw 4, so maybe it's Electabuzz, Magma? Oh, no Magma. It must be Magma then at first. I don't know. Lotad. I got so many lucky Lotads on Pokemon Go. Hey, another Milo. Oh, and shit. Just because Louis Provo may not be like the strongest like based on CP in the game, but most of the Pokemon I got on Pokemon Go is because I just really like them, not because they're like broken or good. Even though some of the Pokemon are really bad, I just really like them. I do miss that. I miss opening like drawing, opening like fairy types. That's that's another duplicate of. So yeah, now we have 2 Ultras and 1 Full Arts in base. So if Brick ever wants to, I guess. But I doubt Brick will ever want to. Brick's more. But Brick loves Snorlax, so that's probably something. And Hollow Farfetch'd. Oh! Oh! Hello! Huh. Teleon. Hello. Yo, that's actually really nice. Like, it's not the Rillaboom I was hoping for, but still, telling on VMAX. Hydro Snipe, you may put a energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon into their hand. Max Bullet, this attack does 60 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Oh, so it does 160 and an extra 60 to one of your opponent's bench. Ooh, nasty. Okay, so we got our first like VMAX. It only took like 4 Bs. No. Barrel. I couldn't get into the damn pack. So let's see if so far we've got like a Cinderace and a Teleon. Where can we get a Rillaboom? No, we have another Penguin though. Another one of the Penguin. Like, kind of wish I could, I kind of wish for something better, obviously, but like, I don't, it's hard to kind of get money back from this because you have to pull like a good gold or good rainbow to really get the money back. I can't really remember what's the most expensive one in this set. Magma. See, it's stacked. It's always Magma, it is stacked. Oops, sorry. Flapple. And Gyarados. Good old Gary. You don't screw Gary. Gary screws you. There we go. And they all just... God damn it. Well, what actually kept in my hand? Oh, not the good... Not the one. Oh god. Okay, I gotta go hunting without... Luckily, most of them landed upside down. Make sure these are all right side up. Well, that could have gone better. Snova. Farfetch'd. No, okay. It was just Farfetch'd. Well, to fly away. That's a fair point. Did Farfetch'd actually fly, or is it a flightless bird? I can't remember. Like Buzz. It's kind of odd that after they like, get up Buzz is still like basic. Or cool. That's it. How many packs left? Got about 5 packs. So, what we can do, I guess, is go to all of the Pokemon guards. They're filming at the moment, I think. Isn't any like super legendary or mythical guard anyway? Hello, Earthbus, nice. And this thing, Nugget. Good. I had a Nugget cave before because when we were tidying it up, me and Gimme we got hungry, so we walked to Mackey's and we went back up to the upstairs, and yeah, and then I started calling it the Nugget Cave. Again, from kindergarten. Well, kindergarten 2, I think. Can't remember much of kindergarten 1. Oh! Hey! our first full art, and we've got the other former here. Nice. We got 2 snacks, so don't step on either one of these snacks. I'll put you up here. Okay, so we got our first full art. This snake. So, we're almost done. No Sonia. Last 2 packs. So, let's get up in there. So that's my toad. Oh, finally, we have our first gold, ladies and gentlemen. We have our first gold. Oh wait, what are these cards? I keep leaving packs on the side, or cards on the side. It's starting to infuriate me. I need to stop. But still, we just pulled our first ever gold from this set, which I can't remember if you're the most wanted one, to be honest. But okay, like this, I would have, like, in the end, I got a full art, got gold. You are definitely getting sleeved. And check. I gotta check if like that's like most wanted or something. Okay, come on. A rainbow would be insane, but it's not gonna happen. But so, like, in the end, I think we ended up pretty good. Like, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we got 5 regular V's, 1 gold, 1 full art, and 1 Remax. Which I think I've ended pretty good on this set, really. Like, finally, took a while, but we got our first gold. And yeah, this is probably the last of the probably a last Pokemon Play video I'm gonna do for a while. So I guess thank you guys for watching, leaving the comments what's your favorite Sword and Shield Pokemon, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about this set. I'll try to reply, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.